Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So thank you very much for joining me today. Today's topic is on how to become rich from poor background. So if you come from a situation where you're disadvantaged or you're poor, then this might be the video for you. So thank you so much for joining me today. Now, every week I try to share content that I'm currently implementing in my life right now to get me to the next level. And unfortunately, in society today, we're not taught, personal finance or how to manage our finances. So that's why I created this YouTube channel, to be able to share some of my experiences with you and some tips on how to get your finances to the next level. Now, the first thing you want to do if you find yourself in one of those situations where you're either poor or struggling is you need to change your mindset. You want to change your mindset from one of deprivation to one of abundance. There's so much abundance around us, and the first thing you want to do is you want to change your mindset. So you want to have that mindset of someone who wants to achieve things in life, someone who's always positive, always thinking of how to exceed, and also how to improve yourself. So your mindset has a big role to play in whether you become rich or not. So number one, you have to change your mindset. You have to have a mindset of abundance. Number two, you want to invest in yourself. It all starts with what you put between your ears. What books are you reading? What movies are you watching? What are you listening to? How are you spending time on yourself? So you want to invest in yourself, whether it's through watching YouTube channels or YouTube videos, or reading motivational books or books on business, on self-improvement. You want to invest in yourself because your greatest asset is you. So you have to make sure that you invest in yourself. All right, so that's number two. Number three, you want to make sure that you increase your network, because no one's an island. You need people around you. You need the right kind of people, the right people to help you during your life stages. Okay, so if you're looking to build wealth, to be rich, you definitely need people, and that comes from building a network of people. You gotta have a network of the right people that can propel you. So you want to surround yourself with like-minded people who are going places, people who are doing things for themselves, and stay away from negative people and people who are not doing anything to better themselves. So you want to grow your network of people, and right now there are many platforms where you can actually collaborate with people to get yourself to the next level. So you want to grow your network. Number four, you want to start a business. So no matter what you do, there's no other way for you to become rich and wealthy. You have to create a business. You have to start a business. You have to provide value to the marketplace, and it all starts from having a business. So you have to start a business, no matter what it is. If you're providing services or products, in previous videos, you can check my channel. I have videos on different types of businesses you can start today. So you want to make sure that you create a business. That's the fastest way for you to become rich, is by creating a business. Now, don't get me wrong, there is risk in starting a business. There is risk in life, but what do you have to lose? You're already poor. You already don't have anything, so go for it. Start a business. Okay, you don't need to have the ideal situation before you start a business, or you don't need to have all the money in the world before you start a business. Just go for it. Start small, build up, scale your business, and you definitely become rich. And then number five, as you start making money, you want to make sure that you invest your money in assets. When I say assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take money out of your pocket. So as some examples of assets would be the stock market. For some people, you could probably buy investment properties, condos, houses, single family homes, multi-unit apartment complexes. So those are some examples of assets that you can invest your money in. So the key is you want to make sure that the cash flow that you get from your business, you're investing it in assets. So if you want to be rich, those are the steps that you need to take. So number one, you need to change your mindset. Number two, you want to invest in yourself. Number three, you want to increase your network of people or associates or friends that can help you accomplish your goals. Number four, you want to start a business. And number five, you want to invest in income producing assets. So I hope that helps you. If you found value in this video, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel, so every week you'll be notified of new videos from me. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I apologize, I'm not really looking at the camera right now because I am driving. So I just wanted to shoot this quick video to help anyone out there who feels that they're poor or they're not where they need to be. You can achieve it. Okay, so thank you so much for being here, and I'll catch you on my next video. Take care. Bye bye.